This video is a brief presentation on investing in unlisted shares. What are unlisted stocks? The shares of those companies which are not listed on popular stock exchanges like the NSE or the BSE. These can be broadly classified into four types. Delisted shares. These stocks came out with an IPO but chose to delist their stocks later. Pre-IPO shares are those which are in the process of coming out with an IPO or are expected to list within a year. Illiquid stocks are those which have been listed on regional stock exchanges but are not frequently traded on. Next comes why should we invest in unlisted stocks. First is low price to earnings ratio. This means that these shares are undervalued compared to the ones which are listed on the stock exchange. Second is high returns on listing. Once these stocks get listed on the their prices tend to double in a matter of months. We constantly target companies which can be listed in the near future. Third is these stocks are less reactive to market movements and thus show less fluctuation in price when markets are in a recession. Having less correlation with market movements, they reduce the overall portfolio risk. One example of the value creation possible with such companies is OMDC or Orissa Mineral Development Corporation. In 2005, we recommended these shares at a price of Rs 2000 per share and gave our clients a target price of Rs 1 lakh per share for 2010. OMDC got listed on NSE and touched a high of Rs 92,000 per share in the December of 2009. This is a return of 150% compounded annually over 4 years. For a complete story on OMDC, please visit the link in the description. Now we'll give you some stocks which can prove to be gold mines in the next 3 to 5 years. First up is Ratnakar Bank. This bank started off as a regional bank in the Kolhapur district of Maharashtra. It made a turnaround in 2010 by sweeping in drastic changes in management and strategic acquisitions. This bank is going for a pan-India presence. It is also expected to list in the next year. We have prepared in the analysis on this bank. Please refer to the link in the description. Another multi-bagger could be Bharti Telecom. It is the holding company of India's telecom giant Bharti Airtel. It holds roughly 65% of its shares. These shares have an intrinsic value of 35,000 rupees and these shares are available at 3,800 rupees. Next up is Eastern Investments Limited. This is primarily an investment company. It is a part of the Bird group of companies and also holds a substantial share of the aforementioned OMDC shares.